Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Amazon so your preferences and payment are ready. Once signed in, type the brand and model followed by the word refurbished into the search bar to focus results. Make sure to open filters immediately, set condition to refurbished, choose seller type, Amazon or certified third party, and toggle Prime if you need fast shipping. Doing this first cuts noise and surfaces certified listings faster, so you spend time evaluating phones rather than sorting through new units. Once done filtering, refine results by sorting, try price, low to high to spot bargains or featured for trusted offers. Make sure to open several listings side by side and compare seller ratings, warranty length, and return policy because these determine your post-purchase protection. Pay attention to the condition description and any inspection or testing notes to understand what was replaced or repaired. Also examine product images and accessory lists. These details explain differences in price and help you pick the best refurbished unit. You finish by verifying warranty and return windows, then add the chosen refurbished phone to your cart and review final charges including tax and shipping. This avoids surprises. Once purchased, track shipment and inspect the device promptly. Power it on, check battery health, and test key features. If the phone has problems, contact the seller immediately to request a return or replacement. If the seller doesn't respond or refuses, make sure to file an Amazon A to Z guarantee, claim to secure a refund or resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.